Do you have a plain boring phone case and want to jazz it up? Don't worry, I got you. Now you can easily have new phone case daily, and now you can easily throw that old boring phone case away.
What's up guys, Heidi and welcome back to my channel. As promised, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make DIY phone cases. I haven't done a DIY video for a long time, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can reuse your phone cover again and again and nobody will know that it's the same case. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram because I post a lot of things there. So if you don't want to miss that out, go follow me there, and without further ado, let's get into it.
This first DIY is inspired by something that I saw online and it was quite expensive, so I thought why not DIY it, because I'm all about saving money. For this you need a clear case and a print, and you can easily find something similar on Pinterest or Google, but if you want something exactly as I'm making, then I'll have a link in your description so you can go and print the exact one that I'm making. My phone came in with a template, so I simply traced it and then taking the insert that I just made to cut out the camera hole so I can still take cute pictures, and also a speaker hole because I love listening to music, and that is it. And trust me guys, this is the easiest phone case that you'll ever make.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots.
This case is one of my favorite. Actually, I like all the cases, but I love the way how this case turned out. So to make this case, all you guys need is a cute floral print. I decided to write literally on it because I say literally like so many times. If you know, you know. So I just stuck the word literally on it, and to be able to take pictures, I decided to go in with the insert that I just made to cut out the camera hole and the speaker hole because I love taking photos and listening to music. I loved how this turned out, and if you ever try to make it, make sure that you send me a picture on my Instagram or Snapchat. It is @aditiparikar, and I love to see your creation.
Stop, stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
I decided to make this case because it's super popular and is low price and it's super easy to make. So can you guys see, I'm literally trying to save your money, okay? So to make this case, all you guys need is a transparent sheet and some cute tumbler cutouts. You can simply go on Google or Pinterest and type in tumbler PNGs and the cutest stuff will come up, but I'll have a link in the description so you can have the exact same one that I have. So I'm just gluing all the pictures on the transparent sheet, but I'm using transparent sheet because I want to repurpose my case again and again. But if you don't want to do that, you can just use double-sided tapes or Mod Podge to stick them in place, and that is it. It is super easy and super cute.
So that is it for our video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite, because my favorite was the sticker one, and I absolutely love it because now it's very trendy and everybody are using it. So if you want a part 2 of DIY phone cases, then let me know. I'll be so happy to do it for you. And if you guys like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram because I post a lot of things there and you don't want to miss that out. So go follow me there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.